parang hanggang ngayon po, nakakapanibago pa rin siya para sa akin. Parang, I still question kung saan po nanggaling, paano siya na-determine, sino po bang nag-decide nun or nakaisip nun. Kasi ang laki ng title, parang Kapuso, Primetime Goddess. Parang, bakit goddess? Parang I never saw myself as a goddess or what. But of course, with that big title comes, yung ganong image, di ba? Laking responsibility at image na kailangan Kapuso, Primetime Goddess ka. So, there's a bit of pressure, but of course, it's very flattering to be given or to be called a Kapuso Primetime Goddess. Kapuso Primetime Goddess, number 1, of course, Kapuso ka. Yun lang naman 3, So, you are, of course, a Kapuso, Primetime, because yan ang, yan ang yung career mo. You're always seen on Primetime sa drama, sa mga teleserye. And then, Goddess is, I guess, parang someone that, people look up to in a way, yung talagang overall, hindi lang yan looks or body or hindi lang yan pangalan, but overall, kumbaga full package, parang ganon, goddess, parang you're on a pedestal, ang taas ng tingin ng mga tao sa'yo. So parang yun yung dating niya sa akin.